Welcome to CustomFlags.com. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get started with our new designer tool where you can customize your flag from scratch. For this example, I'm using the outdoor flag, but you can use our design tool with any of our customizable products. To begin, you will select the size and style of flag that you would like to edit. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'll be selecting a 3x5 double-sided flag. If you're not sure which style is right for you, there is a link in the description that will help. It's important to note that once you have begun with your customizations, you will not be able to change the size or style of your flag without having to start over. And remember, you always have the option of placing your order the old-fashioned way. Simply click on the Request Assistance button right here. This will bring you to a forum where you can enter your information and one of our team members can help place your order for you. To start using our designer tool, you will click the Customize button. This will bring you to the next page where a message will pop up. This message is here to remind you that we strongly recommend using vector artwork for your flag design. An image that might seem clear on a computer will not always look clear when blown up to the actual size of your flag. To ensure that your flag looks clear and crisp when printed, use vector artwork. If you're unsure of what constitutes as a vector file, feel free to reach out to us, and we'd be happy to help. To start designing, click OK.